Menapia is a robotics company that specialises in weather drones for atmospheric data collection. The data we collect is invaluable for weather forecasting, environmental monitoring, especially for safety-critical operations. Our weather drone, MetSprite, is capable of climbing through the clouds, collecting valuable atmospheric data as it ascends. This is enabled by our ground station, which automatically charges and shelters MetSprite. It's completely mobile and off-grid. With the increasing demand for in-situ atmospheric data, Menapia can provide a cost-effective and scalable robot-as-a-service solution.
This isn't just any drone. We've built a system that can withstand extended periods in real-world conditions. Our tech has been designed to work remotely, across all latitudes and into ever higher flight levels. We're helping to pioneer routine, beyond visual line of sight operations with high autonomy at network scale. The operation of our drones will collect calibrated, validated data in a safe, low-cost and green way. We have an awesome team full of expertise. On a cultural level, we share a dedication to enhance society's understanding of Earth systems, to bring innovation, safety and efficiency to the forefront of atmospheric sensing. Our technology will usher in a new era of environmental insight and stewardship.